Hi, I'm Gardener Scott. Join me and Lily for 2 minutes as I show you how to harden off plants. When you start seeds yourself, or you buy plants from a nursery or even big box store, those plants have lived their entire lives inside, and they're not ready to go straight outside. So you need to harden them off. On the first day, take your plants, put them outside in a nice sheltered area. This is a place in the shade, out of the sun, protected from wind and animals, where the plants can just begin to get used to growing outside. This gradual exposure to the outside is called hardening off. After a few hours, you'll take the plants back inside to spend the night. You'll be repeating this process for the first 5 or 6 days. Place them outside each morning and extending the amount of time that they spend in the sun each day. During hot days, make sure that you water because you don't want the plants to dry out. And then on days 5 or 6, keep them out until dark before you bring them back in for the night. For the last few days, you get to leave your plants outside. At least on days 7, 8, 9, I like to put them in the actual spot where they're going to be growing. And then once they're hardened off, they're ready to go in the ground. And there you have it, how to harden off plants. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you haven't subscribed, do so and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.